Steak and Shake is already here. How about that? I'll show you in just a minute. I don't remember what was over here. Looks like they've got a little food court now. Oh, Steak and Shake is not open yet, but obviously that's where they are. And Tacos El Pastour is right next door. Nice. Beef tallow fries. Yeah. And what's good about this Steak and Shake is Gold Coast has free parking all the time. And I don't think that'll ever change. Hopefully I'm right about that. Yeah, nice. Because the Steak and Shake at Hooters, you have to go get a validation for your parking. I don't know how they're doing it at Hooters out in the front. Of course, it's not Hooters anymore. It's Yo. They already got their prices up and everything. Street taco, $5.49. Regular taco, $4.19. That's not street, that's a living room taco, I guess. Burrito, $16.99. They also have a location across the street from Resorts World on the Strip. I don't remember what was in this spot. Maybe nothing. Maybe this was a wall and it kept my eyes off it when I walked by. Or maybe it was a wall of slot machines. But this is very room. They got a lot of seats. This is a great addition.